So basically, all of these panels are the same except, have I put the different one in there? Except one, and that's the one where your stairs will go on, just because it's not got the bottom section. But it doesn't matter what goes where on the bandstand.
Okay.
So it really doesn't matter. Don't think about it while you're doing it. So just take the smaller one of the two hexagons. And as most people will know, I sort of make stuff so that it slots on, you know, it slots on snugly. So that isn't glued, but I'm giving that a tug. And that's on there.
Would you glue it? Would you put glue?
I would.
Yeah.
Just purely because if you're loading it up with stuff,
yeah.
or you know you're moving it around and whatever else, and if you're going to give it as a gift, you don't want to take any risk. However, I just want to show people that these are
nice
are built to be, yeah,
excellent.
Are built to fit, if that makes sense.
Now we're putting this together for the show right now. We're not painting it yet. Do we paint it before or after?
I would always recommend painting MDF after if it's got any areas that slot in. As much as some people might tape, I mean, if you're doing this bottom bit in here, you might want to do it before you put the roof on, for example, because you've already slotted this in, so it's got nothing. But you've seen how close that fits. If some paint went on the edge, it doesn't even have to be a mil of paint, that's going to affect how it fits. Okay. Don't get me wrong, a bit of sandpaper, it takes it off, it'll go in, but, you know, not everyone's got sandpaper to hand. So you can see how I'm doing this. I'm just turning it round and pushing it on. I haven't popped. There's a couple of bits here that have got the little bits that haven't popped out. So,
well, if you don't have any sandpaper, you could always use an emery board if you've got one of those lying around.
Exactly what it is, isn't it? An emery board.
Yeah.
So that's it. That is pretty much your bandstand put together.
Perfect. That was quick.
So yeah, and then just slot your top on. So of course. This is the only bit that's a little bit more fiddly because obviously you need to try and line a few of them up at a time and start pushing them in as you go round. But, it doesn't help when you've got shaky hands.
But you don't have to press hard down onto it, do you, Sam? But you're putting quite a bit of pressure on there.
Well,
the way it's
now
built.
it's all lined up, I've put the pressure on, but that's it. That's that bit done.
Love that.
So these bits, again, you don't have to use them, but I wanted that bit on top.
Yeah.
So these you would literally just glue to make your bit on top.
Excellent.
And then your stairs are, slot the stairs in. So slot one lot of stairs in there. And then slot them in that side. And then on that one that I said was slightly longer, that one, these just, again, they just took over.